Ka Kenhun Seken Meghalaya BN NCC hapo kajingalam usubadar majar ukeshav podel benta kasngi kilayo banlek burom dakabawan bu sentiu ha umot sa Kynmaw jong uwei ushipai Indian Army ubalakhatno ubadai nagashnong nongba marchilong juga South West Khasi Hills District. Ushipai ubalakhatno banakaliang ka Seken Meghalaya BN NCC kalawan lek burom ude ulet Kitborlang Lyngkhoi lakaya hakakhat ar terik urisau kat kanais pa prapunyo bad ulakhatno hakakhatru terik no pra arjakat ar hakakarta kebaar pesan snem hakajingja syak telepa utha haglishar Jammu and Kashmir ulet Kitborlang Lyngkhoi ulas dangi kakam haus nem arjar shipau bad hadu ba undakhatno nakaneka slapertei ulas syakri kari tanghiki ar snem arbanai bad kat ar sngi hakaneka sngi le buram laidon lang ki kimiki kpa henmen ki para rengkat ki bahi ngasem jong ulet Kitborlang Lyngkhoi.
Salud.
Afternoon everyone. Sap and our SM Sap. We were informed we have to perform something very precious for our hero, and we didn't have any idea about it. Later on we had some idea, and while we were traveling at the car, sir was telling the story of a hero, late Shipai Kitborlang, and it feels really very proud to be here and present here and say something about it, because I didn't know that there were two brothers. Shahido ko Saath Saath Naman program is represented by the Indian government and is being conducted by the 2nd Meghalaya Battalion. We had this glorious chance to conduct it, and we my colleagues and our PR staff feel proud of it. Shipai Kitborlang Lyngkhoi was born in 12 October 1987 and led his life at 16 December 2012 in Siachen Glacier. I would like to add some more points. The real heroes is not who is at the border, is one who suffers after the beloved brother, husband or father are gone. You are your parents, sir, ma'am, you all are the real heroes. On the behalf of us, you are very proud, you must be very proud and very strong. Your both of the son serve in the Indian Army and led their life for this nation, for you and for us. I would like to just say this soldier, this soldiery, it's never found, it's always found in the Indian Army. Coming from the Shillong, 150 kilometers approximately, and wondering that in such a small village, there must be one hero. I didn't have any idea about it. There is an hero, two heroes, and all the families. They come from the village, and they went for Indian Army recruitment. They got selected, and they serve. What the pride moment for them and for you? What that be?
जो शहीदों का सम्मान करने का हिसाब किताब है, जो अपना किबरलिंग बरलंग का अपना जो असम रेजिमेंट, फर्स्ट असम रेजिमेंट का जो सर्विस के दौरान ऑपरेशन मेघदूत ग्रीष्म के दौरान वो स्लाइडिंग में, बर्फ़ के स्लाइडिंग में वो शहीद हुआ था। वो इंडियन आर्मी के लिए वो एक मिसाल बना है और वहाँ में इतना कठिन जगह में भी जाके उसने अपना नौकरी निभाया है, साथ ही अपना इंडियन आर्मी का नाम ऊंचा किया है। आज हमको अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं भी एक असम रेजिमेंट के होने के नाते, सूबेदार मेजर होकर इस बटालियन को कमांड करने के नाते मैं अपना असम रेजिमेंट का अपना एक बहादुर राइनो जवान को उसका शहीदों का घर में आके मैं एक प्रोग्राम करने के लिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। और इसी का हिसाब से आपका उसका दूसरा भाई भी पिछला बार कोरोना से डेथ हुआ था, तो इसके घर में दो हीरो है जो देश के लिए अच्छा काम किया है, काम करते करते अपना बलिदान दिया है। इसके लिए हम उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ और साथ ही मेरा छोटा वक्तव्य यहाँ से खत्म है।
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.